to Evolving Male. This is probably going to end up on an Evolving Male short take. So I just wanted to show you guys a real quick and easy way to get your rooftop tent on top of your roof rack on your Gladiator or probably any other truck. So I particularly have the Smitterbilt, the smaller one. I don't need the XL for the two of us. We're getting ready to go camping tomorrow morning, and I don't really have anyone to help me do it. My wife's got a messed up shoulder. It's hard for her to do it. On the installation video, if you haven't seen it, please check it out. We struggled because of her broken wing. So I was trying to come up with a way to do it myself, and I got it figured out. So I've got my Harbor Freight little dollies, item number 41695. I think they're like 10 bucks or something on Harbor Freight. They're cheap. I think that's where I got them. Either Harbor Freight or Northern, I forget, but I think it was Harbor Freight. So I got it on there. I can roll this thing all around. Okay. I've got a little throw. This came with my rack, my Fab Fours rack, because everything was wrapped up nice and good in the Fab Fours rack. So I'm going to throw this over the back top, so I don't scratch it all up. Okay, and it helps do stuff a little bit. I'm going to lower the tailgate. Now watch this. Okay, now we're going to lean it, push this out of the way so I don't step on it and kill myself. Lean that up against the rack. I'm just going to pick it up. Pick it up. Slide it up. Pull this off. There we go. All I got to do is center it up a little bit. Put the little clamps on here. And I'm good to go, ready to go down the street. So that's it. That's how you get the roof rack tent on top of your roof rack with one person in a matter of seconds. Thanks for checking me out. As always, please hit like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more adventures here on Evolving Male. Thanks, guys.